What's up, YouTube? We're here on site, starting with a couple uprooted trees behind us and a broken top up there. So that's what we're starting with today. There's a poplar back here that's broke. And then further ahead of us, there's some more broken trees. So that's what we're doing today, dealing with hazardous trees. Hopefully no climbing, fingers crossed, because I don't particularly want to get up in a tree, but we'll do what we have to. Hopefully everything goes exactly as planned. Should be not an easy day, but it should be a straightforward day, give or take. Might not be. We'll see what happens.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.